Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Muzzy 1097 XD Bowfishing Reel. The Muzzy 1097 XD is sure to become your new favorite bowfishing reel if you routinely seek the largest fish on a given body of water with archery equipment in hand. The drag system on this reel is made of stainless steel and brass, and it's more than capable of bringing monster carp, gar, and drum to the bank or boat. The Muzzy 1097 XD's overall toughness is enhanced by its robust steel foot, which ensures a secure reel-to-bow connection. Stainless steel foot delivers a solid anchor, while the dual spool shaft bearings and automotive-style disc drag gives this reel the power to wear out monsters. Convertible for either right-hand or left-hand retrieve. Comes with a 150-pound fishing line. A rugged reel designed for bow fishermen who aim for big fish. The Muzzy XD Bow Fishing Reel helps you get the big ones in the boat. This tough, saltwater rated reel features an elongated hood for better line flow and smoother shooting, strong stainless steel and brass drive system, and stainless steel roller pickup pin. Stainless steel foot delivers a solid anchor, while the dual spool shaft bearings and automotive style disc drag gives this reel the power to wear out monsters. Let's watch more.
Talk to you today a little bit about our standard XD reel from Muzzy Bowfishing. This is our new model for this year, the 1097 XD. This actually has our new extended hood that we had on our Pro Series reels. For the last couple of years, it comes pre-spool with a 150-pound test, just like all of our other Pro reels have. This one does have the button and the metal foot on it that you would mount on a reel seat, like our new tack reel seat, or our standard anchor reel seat that's been around for a long time. So both of those, it'll accept pretty much any reel seat. It's been around for a long time. Same basic design as our standard XD reel for a long time. Just now we put the extended hood on it so that the line feeds off a lot smoother, and you're going to get a little bit better accuracy out of it without having to have a rod on it. We do encourage you using one of our rods as well for extending the life of the gears. Anytime you can take tension off of your pickup pins and your main gears, it's going to extend the life of your reel. But check it out. I think you're going to really like the new extended hood on it.
Our second best bowfishing reel is AMS Bowfishing Retriever TNT Reel. The American-made, AMS Retriever TNT Bowfishing Reel was created for more speed. The TNT retrieves 27" of line per crank by utilizing a larger brass gear to increase the gear ratio. It's durable, reliable and it performs. And, it's simple to use. There are no buttons to push before the shot. Unlike most other reels, retrievers are always ready to shoot. Just draw and shoot. The line is stacked in a bottle rather than wound on a drum or spool, so there is no drag on the line when it's shot. The line freely spools out of the bottle on the shot, and on the retrieve just stacks right back in. Retrievers can take the abuse of bowfishing and will stand the test of time. Machined brass gears, stainless steel hardware and lightweight, corrosion-resistant housing ensure long life in fresh or salt water. The Retriever TNT mounts to your bow's sight holes. One T-screw controls four-way movement of the reel and also allows for quick removal. An arrow quiver is also integrated into this mount. Third choice in our list is AMS Bowfishing Retriever Pro Reel. The AMS Bowfishing Retriever Pro Reel should be just what you've been looking for if you're trying to take your bowfishing game to the next level. This AMS Bowfishing Reel is built for outright performance, with a retrieve rate of 17 inches per revolution, 200-pound test line, and a tough, sturdy frame. Tournament bow fishermen, who take to the water on a regular basis, are likely to appreciate these traits. It's durable, reliable and it performs. And, it's simple to use. There are no buttons to push before the shot. Unlike most other reels, retrievers are always ready to shoot. They're always in free spool mode. Just draw and shoot. Zero drag, the line is stacked in a bottle rather than wound on a drum or spool, so there is no drag on the line when it's shot. The line freely spools out of the bottle on the shot and on the retrieve just stacks right back in. Heavy-duty construction. Retrievers can take the abuse of bowfishing and will stand the test of time. Machined brass gears, stainless steel hardware and lightweight, corrosion-resistant housing ensure long life in fresh or salt water. Number 4 in our side is CAjun Winch Pro Bowfishing Reel. The CAjun should be a good choice for individuals who want to get the most out of their time on the water while reducing the costs involved with such activities. This spin-cast reel has a low price yet is built to last. Bowfishing is an unforgiving exertion that taxes equipment under intense conditions. The Winch Pro takes the punishment and keeps asking for more. The all-new Winch Pro introduces a revolutionary design that allows the ability to break and reel simultaneously to better bring in monsters up from the depths day after day or night after night. Fighting Will Break allows you to break and reel simultaneously. Adjustable durable ceramic string guide for smoother string feed. Revolutionary design allows for one-handed operation. Rugged aluminum frame for superior durability. Vertical and horizontal adjustments allow the perfect fit on any bow. Last in our top 5 best bowfishing reel list is SinoArt Bowfishing Reel. If you are currently searching for the perfect stabilizer mount bowfishing reel, then the SinoArt Spincast Reel should be exactly what you have been looking for. The SinoArt Bowfishing Reel is likely to be an excellent choice for any bow angler having trouble finding retriever reels that match their bow. Bow horizontal and vertical adjustments are included on this reel, making it easier than ever to achieve the right fit on any bow. This allows you to stomp out any doubts and get down to work catching fish the way it's supposed to be done. This reel is simple to use, even for the newest of bow fishermen, and is easily installed in conjunction with a bow stabilizer mount. This bowfishing reel is ideal for those who are not comfortable shooting instinctively and wish to retain the use of their bow sight. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.